In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an auto-invest plan on Binance. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can do this seamlessly and without any hassle. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account. You can do this by opening up the Binance website or app and entering your login details as usual. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your account information. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, it's time to navigate to the correct section where you can manage your investments. Now, look for the Earn section on the top navigation bar. Hover your cursor over it, and a drop-down menu should appear. Here, you'll want to find and click on Auto Invest. If you're on your dashboard or wallet already, you might see a direct link or shortcut to either Auto Invest or Recurring Plans. Feel free to use whichever method is easiest for you. After locating the Auto Invest section, you'll see two main tabs, My Plans or Active Plans. These tabs hold all your ongoing Auto Invest plans. Browse through the list until you find the specific plan you wish to cancel. It's a good idea to double-check that you have selected the right plan to avoid accidentally modifying an investment you want to keep active. Once you've identified the correct auto-invest plan that you want to halt, look off to the side, and you should notice a set of three dots, usually known as the More Options menu, next to that specific plan. This menu might appear as a vertical or horizontal ellipsis, depending on your device or browser. Clicking on this will reveal a few different options related to managing your plan. From the menu that appeared, you should see the option to cancel, stop plan, or perhaps remove plan. Click on that choice. It's important to pause for a moment here. This is your opportunity to ensure you really want to go through with canceling this plan. Once you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click to confirm your decision when prompted. This typically involves a pop-up window where you'll need to click a button to finalize the cancellation. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your auto-invest plan. Take a moment to verify that it's no longer listed under active plans, providing some peace of mind that the task is complete. And with that, you're all set. Remember, if you need to create a new plan in the future or manage other investments, you can always return to this section. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and gave you the confidence to manage your investments with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.